Good morning, folks. Brandon here from Fields BMW of Daytona Beach. Here today we're going to be diving into gesture controls in a 2021 BMW 530i. Gesture controls are different functions of the vehicle that you can control with hand movements. For example, if I turn up my volume from the steering wheel, it gives me the suggestion on the screen for the hand gesture I can use for it. So if I want to turn down my volume or turn it up, I simply just twist my finger. If I want to mute the radio, I can do a two-finger point. If I'm ready to go home and I have my home address programmed in the navigation system, I can open, close, and open my hand, and it'll automatically take me home. Those are just an examples of a few of the gestures that you can use in your vehicle. If you're wondering where the settings are at for it, if you just go into Car, Settings, General Settings, and we're going to go all the way up until we see Gesture Control. I can turn off the gesture control or turn off the tip display or audio confirmation, or I can do a function assignment for my gesture 1, which is your two-finger point, or your gesture 2 for your open close hand motion. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Brandon at BMW of Daytona Beach, and have a good day.